Hello everyone, welcome to African Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we have Kelewele for you guys. So we have our plantains here. We're using 3 plantains, and here we have onion granule, we have ginger powder, salt to taste, we have chili powder, cloves, and then we have grain of saline then that we're going to use. So let's go ahead and peel our plantain. So peeling our plantain, okay. I say banana because in French we say banane plantain, so that's why I say banana. So I'm opening it into 2 like that, and then on a side like so. I will start from the bottom, so I'll cut it like that. Okay, I have sliced the plantain. Now I'm going to blend the spices before we can add it into it. Alright, well, I end up by blending everything together. So now I'm going to mix it, pull everything on top of it and mix them together. It smells so good. So I'm adding also a bit of salt to taste. Alright, and I'm going to add a bit of oil just for the vegetable, for the spices to stick better. You can use your hands or put gloves on your hands because they got spices in there, which is the pepper. It's quite spicy. Okay, so mix them properly, make sure it goes everywhere, and once it's done, cover it, leave it on the side for about 10 to 15 minutes before you fry your kelewele. Alright, okay, then we're going to leave this on the side. So our kelewele is cooking still. It's almost done. So voila, our kelewele is done. Look at this. Alright, take it out, take everything out. So I have added a tissue paper on my plate to absorb the oil from the kelewele. Alright, it smells so nice. So I can't wait to try it. So this is it. Our kelewele is done nicely and tasty. It's very nice. Thank you for coming today. I hope that was helpful to you. And we have added peanuts, roasted peanuts, roasted from the house. Yes, and see you soon. And please do comment, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.